is the end of the COVID-19 pandemic near? More than 2 years into this pandemic, many nations are now leaning toward the idea of living with the virus. That idea may be better than locking down everything for every new surge. But living with the virus will depend on where you are. According to WFLA News, with COVID-19 cases again declining after the Omicron surge, some experts are saying the much-anticipated end of the pandemic may be in sight. Of course, there are still new cases every day, but not as shocking as when Omicron arrived. It's going to be a lot like how we deal with the flu, said Dr. Thomas Unash at the University of South Florida College of Public Health. Dr. Unash added that COVID-19 is heading toward endemic status, which is something many people will want at this time. The likely reasons why the disease is kind of slowing down are the vaccines and Omicron's weirdness. Millions of people now have some level of immunity against COVID, either from vaccines, natural infection, or both. This is also protecting those who can't be vaccinated or have yet to finish the original series. For Omicron's weirdness, its mutations aren't as hellish when compared to Delta. Delta is known to be more fatal than other variants we've encountered. Delta was so intense that it nearly brought India to its knees. Overflowed hospitals, depleted oxygen tanks, mass cremation, and the rise of the black fungus are some of the things that variant has caused. Omicron, on the other hand, sparked a new wave starting in South Africa. Initially, experts there were stunned at how fast the variant was spreading in communities until they detected something odd. While new cases are peaking, demands for supplemental oxygen were unbelievably lower than in previous records. Most patients could breathe on their own, and most vaccinated people could survive the ordeal. The threat was more apparent among the unvaccinated. COVID-19 as endemic seems to be on the horizon, but will it be like that everywhere? According to the Washington Post, what live with the virus means may depend on where you live. If the cases are still high, expect stricter rules. If the cases are low, targeted approaches are preferred to contain new clusters. Vaccination, testing, and isolation will still be in place, except more people are allowed to do things outside than a year ago. If we keep these measures consistent, the date the disease becomes endemic for most places is possible. Let's just hope no more nightmarish variants emerge. How are the cases where you live? Do you think we are heading to the end of this pandemic? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Till our next video, thanks for watching.